So now we will make basically a flexion support for the PIP, and I will use the Turbostrip in this case as well. I'm using a 30mm one, but in order to make it a little bit more delicate, I'm removing around about 10mm on my material. Then what I do is I heat the strip, and I will do a preparation before I do my application. The strip gets heated quite quickly. I just place it on the towel like this, remove a little bit of moisture, and then I fold it together like a roll. Continue to basically work the material so it becomes really like a tubular kind of shape. Then I will reheat it again, and I will heat it a little bit longer. And then in this case, I'm going to actually put the assistance on over the PIP hood, and then I have one shank going down between PIP and MCP, and the other one is actually like a shank between DIP and PIP. So it becomes like a figure 8. Material is now ready. Make sure to remove the moisture as it makes it easier to work with the material. I try to basically aim it like this. So it's a tubular shape, and I apply the material basically on top. And then I spread the material like this. Make sure that the endings where it actually meets gets laminated completely. So then I usually position the joint, and in this case I want to prevent flexion, so I can actually do slight more extension in the finger. Make sure that the ring, or the application just actually is passing directly under the DIP joint. So now it takes a few seconds for it to cool down completely. As you can see, the PIP, the roller side is completely open. We have basically the ring going on the top like that. So I still remove it when it's still a little bit warm, and then I compress the material on the top so it really laminates there. I might have to laminate the two strips together later on with the heat gun after I do the final application on the patient. So now our finger ring is ready with the Turbostrips. So we connected it together on the top side. We also smoothened the surface just a little bit, and now it's ready for application.